Speed test between the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra versus the OnePlus 8T. Now the S21 Ultra has the Snapdragon 888 processor, 12 gigs of RAM on Android 11 and its latest version of One UI. OnePlus 8T has the Snapdragon 865. This particular model has 12 gigs of RAM, also on Android 11, and its latest version of Oxygen OS. So let's go ahead and turn on both phones at the same time, see which one has a faster boot up, and let's go. Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra versus OnePlus 8T speed test. What will happen right now? Which phone will boot up faster? Let's find out. Let's see here. I think the Samsung, yup. Wow. Oh, hold on a second. Hold on a second, that was not a landslide victory. I thought the S21 Ultra was gonna go out way ahead, but OnePlus 8T caught up at the very end. That was close. And we are in. All right, man, let's get right into it. I'm gonna swipe over here. These are the apps I'm gonna be using for this speed test. I'm gonna go ahead and do this on both phones. No recent items on the OnePlus 8T. No recently used apps on the S21 Ultra. All apps, caches, browsers, everything has been cleared out. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Very close, I think that was the S21 Ultra. Messages. Very close again, I think that was more of a draw actually. Let me know in the comments. The camera, pick up both phones so you can see the viewfinder. S21 Ultra. Let's fire up the clock on both phones. I'm gonna go to the stopwatch, let this run. In the background, calculator. Very close, I think that was the S21. So you can see, Play Store. S21, let me know in the comments. Let's see, what can I click on? Just click on, let's see, this one. I'll go ahead and leave it on that page. Amazon. Very close, I think that was the S21 Ultra, but just a little bit. Let's see, click on this deal of the day. We'll click on this one. We'll leave it right there. eBay, S21. Let's see, click on this. And let's see, let's click on this one. We'll leave it here. Mario Run. Loading on both phones. Let's see what happens right here. Ooh, a little bit faster on the left. And also faster on the left on the second step. Check this one out. Loading on both phones. Oh, okay. Oh, this is close. I'm gonna let this run, see which one is a little bit faster. Very close. I think the S21 Ultra, a little bit ahead. Tap to play. And then we'll leave it there. Subway Surfers. Loading on both phones. We'll give this to the S21. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in on both phones. Oh, very close. Let this run. Oh man, so close, but I think the S21 Ultra a tiny bit out in front. Not by much though. The OnePlus 8T is hanging around. We'll check this one out. Ooh, I think the 8T might be ahead. I think. We'll see. And, ooh, give this to the OnePlus 8T. All right, so the 8T is like, nah bro, I'm still relevant in 2021. Modern Combat 5. Let's see here. Okay. Ooh, okay. Okay, let it extract files. Oh. And I think the S21 was a little bit ahead on that one. Yeah, I'm gonna give it to the S21 Ultra, but again, not by much. The 8T is hanging very well here. PUBG. PUBG Corporation. All right, checking for updates real quick. Hearing noise from the S21, I think. Loading on both. Ooh. Oh! Okay, that was a close one. Now, the 8T does have different stuff here. So I gotta go through this. But overall, very similar speeds as far as the launch of this game. So, very similar performance. Again, the 8T is pretty much hanging in there. Twitter, a little bit faster on S21 IG, faster on S21 Snapchat, faster on the S21 again, and we do have Chrome on both phones. Let's see, what should we search for? Let's see, let's do a search for that. Kind of see what happens. And a little bit faster here on the left. And I'm gonna block that, okay? Whoops. Okay, take this one with a grain of salt. I clicked on this one first. That's all right. I'm gonna cancel that, okay. Let's click on something here. Or let's pinch to zoom. Give you an idea of the speeds. Now the S21 with the 120 display, nice and fast. Okay, let's click on one more. Let's see what's the same here. Okay, this one. Let's click on this. Just a general idea of the internet speeds. And as you can see, both are, you know, okay with the browsing. You can scroll, do all kinds of stuff. Just minimal lag overall. All right, let's go ahead and go run through these apps again. So you can see everything's in the background. And then see what happens. See if there's any lags, any stutters, any reloads. Now both phones do have 12 gigs of RAM here. So we'll see how they handle this. Ready to reconnect here on the Modern Combat 5, as you can see. So that's good. Ready to resume. And then this one. And a little bit faster on the S21 to recover, but no actual reload on either phone. Good to go on the Angry Birds 2. And this one, ready to resume. Nice and fast. This one. Again, ready to resume, as you can see. Boom, continue playing. Very nice. This one, Mario time. Good to go on both. And then eBay, same place. Amazon, same place. Play Store, no reloads. This one, good to go. This one, clock still running in the background. The camera, now I'm gonna go ahead and pick up both phones. Let's see. Draw. Messages. Finally, the phone app. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Are you on team OnePlus? With your OnePlus 8T, do you have the OnePlus 8 Pro? Do you have the OnePlus Nord? Are you looking forward to the upcoming OnePlus 9 or Samsung Night, rocking your Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra? Do you have the S21 or the S21 Plus? You rocking a Note 20 Ultra? Are you a baller and have the Galaxy Z Fold 2 or the Z Flip? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.